This is my quick video about the 808 Tether Bluetooth speaker, model number SP50. Got it as a Father's Day gift from my son, and it pretty much stopped working right away. And I was going to throw it away, but my son asked me today if I could bring it out, and I felt guilty, and so I decided, you know what, if I was gonna throw it away, I might as well go ahead and mutilate it a little bit. So I took my trusty knife, got in there and just kind of pried open the edges. As you can see, it damaged the edges, but you know what, I was gonna throw it away. But the good news is there's the battery, there's the electronics, there's the speaker. I noticed why it wasn't working, and I'm sure some of you saw that right away. It's not very bright, but you can see that the speaker wire is not connected to the part where it needs to. Anyway, all I need is a little soldering, and I should be back in business if I can get this back together again. By the way, when I did pull this apart, there wasn't much, that's not going to get in focus, but there wasn't much wire exposed. So I went ahead and used my wire cutter on the small setting, and even with my bad eyes, I was able to get in there and snip a little bit of the red plastic off, and all I need to do is solder it and it should be good to go. Anyway, there was nothing online, so that's why I'm doing this. Again, the 808 Tether, model SP50, color green.